This new AI model turns sketches into full working apps. It runs right on your computer. No complicated setup, no crazy costs. And today I'm showing you exactly how to run GLM-5V Turbo inside OpenClaw step by step. Most people haven't even heard of this yet. Stick around because this changes everything. Most people waste hours trying to turn a design idea into a working app. You sketch something out, you try to explain it to someone, it takes forever and it never looks right. Or you try a no-code tool and it's slow and clunky and limited. That whole process is broken. And GLM-5V Turbo running inside OpenClaw just completely kills that problem dead. This combo lets you take a sketch, a screenshot, or even a short video and turn it into a real working single file app right on your own machine. No cloud dependency, no waiting around, and I'm going to show you exactly how to get it running. But first, let me tell you what these tools actually are, because that matters before we get into the setup. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. GLM-5V Turbo is Z.ai's brand new native multimodal vision coding model. It launched in April 2026 and it was built specifically for agentic coding workflows. What makes it different from everything else is that it fuses vision and language together during training itself, not as an add-on. During training, that means it doesn't just look at your image and guess. It actually understands the layout, the structure, the spatial relationships between elements on the screen. And here's the thing nobody's talking about yet. Most vision models struggle when the image is complex. Lots of elements, overlapping sections, dense layouts, so they get confused, and the code they output is a mess. GLM-5V Turbo handles that differently because of how it was trained. It processes vision and language at the same time, so it builds a deep understanding of what each part of the design is supposed to do. Not just what it looks like, but what its purpose is. That's why the output code is clean and structured and actually works when you open it in a browser. That's the difference between a model that sees and a model that understands. It scored 94.8 on design to code benchmarks, and that puts it above Qwen 2.5 and other top multimodal models right now. So it has a 200,000 token context window, so it handles huge complex multi-step projects without losing track. It uses 3D convolution to understand video content and bicubic interpolation to process high-resolution images cleanly. This model was built from the ground up to look at visual inputs and turn them into working code. That's its whole job, and it does it better than almost anything else out there right now. OpenClaw is an open source GUI agent framework. Think of it as the engine that runs on your device and gives AI models like GLM-5V Turbo real tasks to complete, not just chat back and forth, real tasks. It handles tool invocation, long chain execution, scheduled tasks, and environment automation. It now fully supports GLM-5V Turbo, which makes it the perfect local home for this model. The big thing about OpenClaw is that it runs locally. Everything stays on your machine. You connect it to Z.ai's API for the model access, but the agent itself, the execution, the file handling, all of that happens right on your device. That's a big deal if you're doing serious work and you don't want your files sitting on someone else's server. Quick pause right here. So if you want to use tools like this to grow your business and save time, come join the AI Profit Boardroom. This is where we take AI tools like GLM-5V Turbo and OpenClaw and build real automation workflows around them. Think about being able to build out landing pages and lead gen tools for the AI Profit Boardroom without touching a single line of code yourself. That's what's possible. That's what we break down inside together. Link is in the description. Go check it out. Now let's get into the setup. And what makes OpenClaw really special compared to other agent frameworks is the long chain execution. Most tools can do one task and stop. OpenClaw keeps going. You can give it a complex multi-step job like build a full member resource hub for the AI Profit Boardroom with a homepage, a tools page, a newsfeed, and a contact form, and it will work through every single step without stopping to ask you what to do next. It uses GLM-5V Turbo's 200K context window to keep track of the entire project from start to finish. That means bigger builds, more complex outputs, and way less back and forth from you. You set the task, and it runs. This is the most important part, so pay close attention. Getting GLM-5V Turbo running inside OpenClaw is straightforward once you know the steps. Let me walk you through the whole thing right now. First, you need your Z.ai API key. Go to the Z.ai Open Platform and sign up for the GLM coding plan. Once you're in, you'll get your API key from the dashboard. Keep it handy because you need it in the very next step. Now install OpenClaw. If you're on Mac or Linux, you run a curl install script from OpenClaw.ai in your terminal. If you're on Windows, you use PowerShell to run their install script. The install is quick, and once it's done, OpenClaw is sitting on your machine ready to go. After installation, open OpenClaw and it walks you through initial setup. When it asks you to choose your provider, select Z.ai, then paste in your API key. Then when it asks which model you want, select GLM-5V Turbo from the list. That's your basic setup done right there. To start using it, type OpenClaw 2E in your terminal. That opens the 2i, which stands for Text User Interface. This is your main workspace inside OpenClaw. This is where you drop in images, sketches, screenshots, and videos. This is where you type your prompts and watch GLM-5V Turbo build things for you in real time. Now here's something important, and most people skip this part. If you want to manually configure your model or switch between models, go to your config file at ye.openclaw.json, open that file, find the model configuration section, add GLM-5V Turbo's model ID, set it as primary, save the file, then restart the gateway by typing OpenClaw gateway restart in your terminal. Once the gateway comes back up, you are fully connected and ready to run. One last thing, set a fallback model in that same config file. So if GLM-5V Turbo is ever slow or under load, OpenClaw automatically switches to your fallback without stopping your task or losing your work. Small thing, saves a lot of frustration later. Now here's where it gets really exciting. Once GLM-5V Turbo is running inside OpenClaw, the real power kicks in. Let me show you practical examples you can try right now. Say you want to build a new landing page for the AI Profit Boardroom. You sketch out a rough layout on paper, headline at the top, 3 benefit blocks in the middle, a big join button at the bottom. You upload that sketch into OpenClaw and type, turn this sketch into a responsive single file HTML landing page for AI Profit Boardroom. Explain the value of AI automation for business owners. Include a headline, feature section, FAQ, and a CTA button. No external libraries. GLM-5V Turbo reads the sketch, understands the layout, and builds the whole page as one clean HTML file you can open in a browser straight away. Or say you find a website with a design you really like. You take a screenshot, you paste it into OpenClaw and type, convert this screenshot into a working dashboard for the AI Profit Boardroom. Add tabs for AI tools, AI news, and community resources. Include a search bar and a dark mode toggle. It reads the screenshot, understands the visual structure, and rebuilds it as your own custom dashboard. One clean file. No frameworks, no dependencies, and the video feature is something else entirely. You record a short video about the AI Profit Boardroom. You feed it to GLM-5V Turbo through OpenClaw. It analyzes the mood, the dominant colors, the overall energy, and it generates a landing page that feels visually matched to that video. The model uses 3D convolution to actually process the video frames and understand what it's seeing. That is a genuinely deep capability, and it works remarkably well. Here are 3 prompts you can paste straight into OpenClaw today and start building immediately. For sketch to landing page use, turn this sketch into a responsive single file HTML landing page for AI Profit Boardroom. Highlight the benefits of joining an AI automation community, include a hero section, 3 key benefits, a FAQ, and a sign-up CTA. No external libraries. For screenshot to web app use, convert this screenshot into a working single file web app for AI Profit Boardroom members. Add a search bar, tab navigation, and dark mode toggle. Style it like a clean premium dashboard. For video to website use, analyze this video and generate a single file HTML landing page that matches its mood, color palette, and energy. Make it feel branded, modern, and professional. No external libraries. Now here's something worth knowing before you start running your first tasks. The quality of your output depends a lot on how clear your input is. If you upload a sketch, make sure the key sections are visible and labeled even roughly. If you upload a screenshot, make sure it's a full page view and not just a cropped section. If you're feeding in a video, keep it short and focused because GLM-5V Turbo works best with clear intentional content rather than long rambling footage. And always tell it in your prompt what the output should be used for. The more context you give it about the purpose of what you're building, the better the code it produces. Think of it like briefing a really fast developer. The better your brief, the better your result. So here's the bottom line. GLM-5V Turbo running inside OpenClaw is one of the most powerful, free, local AI setups you can get your hands on right now. You get a model that scores 94.8 on design to code tasks, a 200K context window, full video and image understanding, and a local agent that handles complex multi-step execution. And you can have the whole thing running on your machine in under 15 minutes using the exact steps I just walked you through. And one more thing before we wrap up, GLM-5V Turbo inside OpenClaw isn't just good for building pages from scratch, it's incredible for iteration too. Say you already have a landing page for AI Profit Boardroom, but you want to refresh the design. You screenshot your current page, drop it into OpenClaw and say, redesign this to feel more modern. Add a sticky navbar, improve the hero section, and make the CTA stand out more. It reads what you already have, understands the structure, and produces an upgraded version. You're not starting from zero. You're building on what exists and making it better in minutes. And that's a completely different way of working. And once you start using it like that, you won't go back. If you want to go deeper and learn how to build real automation workflows around tools like this, come join the AI Profit Boardroom. We take the best AI tools and build practical systems with them so you can grow your business faster and work smarter every day. Link is in the description below. And if you want the full process, SOPs, and over 100 AI use cases just like this one, join the AI Success Lab. It's our free community with over 40,000 members who are using AI to grow their businesses every single day. You'll get all the notes from this video in there, plus templates, prompts, and a community of people actually doing this stuff for real. Links are in the comments and description. Comment below and tell me what you're going to build first with GLM-5V Turbo and OpenClaw.